Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this soft makeup look, which I think is really nice for if you go to school or for work, but if you still want to look like the best of yourself, if that makes sense. So the first thing I always do when I apply eyeshadow is first apply some eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going in with this light brown shade. So I felt like I should have showed in this video how I even apply my eyeshadow primer. I never show this, but I will do in my next video, I promise. But when I have applied it, I'm going in with a light brown shade and I'm going to blend it all over in my crease. And I'm also going to softly blend it more around my outer V area. Because I'm going for a round effect. Later on I will explain a little bit more about that, but I'm going for a round effect. So now I'm going in with an even darker shade, which is called Butter, and the palette I'm using is from Jaclyn. I will mention all the products down in the description bar. And I'm going to blend it also in my crease using a blending brush. When it comes to applying shades in the crease, make sure that you have a very fluffy brush. This will make it really easy to blend it in your crease. Basically, the softer the brush, the softer the application. So if you really want a nice soft blend, make sure that you use a soft brush. So you can see that I'm really focusing around that outer V area. And that's because, like I said, I'm going for a round effect. So when I'm doing a round eye look, I also want to start with my lower lash line immediately. So I can really connect my eyeshadow below my eye with the eyeshadow at the upper part of my eye. Now I'm going in with an even darker shade, which is called Hunts. And I'm going to first press this at the outer V area. Well, not really the outer V, but like the outer part of my eyelid. And I'm first going to press the brush on my eyelid. And when I feel like there's not like that much product left on my brush anymore, like when I have packed on most product, then I'm going to focus a little bit higher and sweeping my brush back and forth, and also do this at the lower part. So you can see I'm making a sort of a round effect around my outer V. And this will really create that round effect that I want. Sometimes I do like a very sharp end of my eye, especially when I use like sticky tape or a shadow shield, but for on a daily basis I really like to do a shape like this. And I'm also going to focus with a tinier brush more underneath the eye. So this is what I meant with the round effect. You want a nice, well blended out effect. And you can see that I still have a sort of empty space left on my eyelid, which I can use to apply product on. So I'm going to use this Benefit eyeshadow, which I got in the mail this week. It comes with a really freaky, strange applicator. So I really wanted to use this applicator since it's included in this eyeshadow palette. I have to say I wasn't really impressed. It didn't give a lot of color payoff. So I switched to my own favorite brush, which is the MAC 2for2 brush. And I immediately felt like it applied much better. Still, I'm not really like obsessed with this eyeshadow. It's nice, but it's not like super pigmented. So I'm applying this all over the eyelid, and then I'm going in with this light highlighting color from the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I'm going to press this in my inner corner area. And don't forget to also blend it a little bit on the eyelid so it blends together with that light eyeshadow from Benefit. And I'm also going to apply it underneath my brow bone. I do have to say, on a regular basis I don't always use a highlighter underneath the eyebrow. Sometimes I just keep it matte, but I think it looks much more in balance since I also have used this in my inner corner. I just feel like it looks better. So now for my waterline, I'm going to use this MAC Eyepencil, which is called the shade Fascinating. I'm going to apply a tint coat in my waterline, and this will make my eyes appear bigger. It gives more of a fresh appearance, especially if you have like redness in your waterline. It will just make it look more fresh. Now for my mascara, I will be using the Benefits Roller Lash Mascara, I believe. I'm not really sure the name. So at the beginning it looked really nice. My lashes looked really lifted. I did use a lash curler, but the problem with my lashes is that after a few minutes they just go down, and I have this with every mascara, so that's super annoying. If you have any tips on a nice mascara, let me know. So this is the end result with only mascara. But I'm going to apply fake eyelashes because I can't stand my upper lashes. I just really don't like them. So I'm going to use my Annytude Feisty lashes and I'm going to apply them off camera. But here you can see how it looks. These are one of my favorite lashes for like on a regular base. They're really pretty and fluffy. And now I'm going to show you my face part. And I'm going to start using this bronzer from Makeup Geek. And I'm going to apply it on my forehead, on my cheekbones, underneath my jawline and underneath my lips to give it more of a definition. This is one of my current favorite bronzers and I more likely use it for like a contour and bronzer because it has a very cool undertone. It just looks really natural and it's a very soft texture. And then to warm it up a little bit, I'm going in with this MAC powder. This is slightly warmer and I feel like using this on top of the Makeup Geek bronzer is just a really nice combination. So I'm going to blend this on my forehead and on my cheekbones. I'm using this powder now for quite a while and I just really like it. I never really see people using this powder, but it has a very soft texture. It's really easy to work with, so I would really recommend this one. So now for my highlight, I'm going to use this Jaclyn Hill Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter, which is a very pretty champagne color. And I'm going to apply it right on top of my cheeks. What is the word? Cheekbones? I'm not really sure. But I'm going to apply it on the place where everyone applies it. Also a little bit above my lips and above my eyebrows. I feel whenever I take a picture, it just looks really pretty if you have like a little bit of sheen over there as well. So now for my lips, I'll be using this NYX lip liner. And I'm going to line my lips, obviously. And I feel like this shade is really pretty. It looks like Strip Down by MAC, but obviously this one is more affordable. So it's a really nice color to use in combination with nude liquid lipsticks. So now I'm going to use this Jouer liquid lipstick, which is my current favorite. I use it almost every day. It's just the perfect shade. I think a lot of you guys will like it. It's a sort of pinky nude, which I love. And as you might have known, if you watch more videos, I'm really picky when it comes to nudes. But this one is so pretty. So now for my blush, I'll be using this Modus blush, which is also one of my current favorites. It is a very pink blush, but I just feel like it makes everything look really fresh in my face. So I really prefer a pink blush over a peachy or reddish blush. I think pink is just really fresh. So this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's quite an easy look, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I think this is more wearable compared to a lot of my other videos. So I'll be doing more natural looks in between my glam looks. Let me know in the comments if you like the idea. I want to do like at least one natural look a week. And of course one glam look a week. And maybe even more. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!